Freshwater pearl mussels are shellfish that live in the clean, fresh, moving water of some of Scotland's rivers. They anchor themselves to sand or gravel in the riverbed, where they filter out tiny particles brought past by the current. Each day, an adult freshwater pearl mussel can filter more water than we can use in an average shower, which helps to keep the river water clean for fish to thrive. Freshwater pearl mussels grow a lot larger than the mussels that live in coastal waters, reaching up to 15 centimetres long, and they can live for over 100 years. As their name suggests, every so often they can contain a pearl, a hard, whitish, shiny object that can be used in jewellery, which has led to people fishing for the mussels in the hope of finding one. They are a protected species, and it is against the law to damage, destroy, or even disturb them. Pearl fishers use a bucket with a glass bottom to see through the water and a stick to pull the mussels from the riverbed. They then prise open the mussels in search of a pearl, killing them in the process. No matter how carefully the mussel is opened, it will always die. Piles of mussel shells on a riverbank are a sure sign that freshwater pearl mussel fishers have been at work. Pearl fishing, pollution of rivers, river engineering works, and the removal of sand and gravel for building have all led to the freshwater pearl mussels being threatened with extinction. In fact, Scotland is the global stronghold for the species. The rivers Spey and Dee in Grampian have populations of freshwater pearl mussels, and work is being done to protect and increase the numbers here and other places in Scotland. Rivers are looked after by the landowners on either side to help fish like the salmon and trout, and this work also gives the right conditions for the freshwater pearl mussels to thrive. Some of this involves working alongside landowners and farmers who live and work near to these rivers to help protect the freshwater pearl mussels in the river, while some of it involves the police wildlife crime officers working along with the river bailiffs and gillies to stamp out illegal fishing of freshwater pearl mussels. Why is it against the law to fish for freshwater pearl mussels? Why do people fish for mussels? What other way can people cause damage to the mussels? Where in Grampian can you find freshwater pearl mussels, and why is Scotland so important for them? Are there any clues that you can look out for to tell that someone has been fishing for freshwater pearl mussels?